Our sea monkeys are currently 10 months old. Today we're going to give you a secret tip on how to keep them happy and healthy.
Hi guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Keith.
Welcome to our 80s life. In a couple of previous videos, we have shared with you guys the progress of our sea monkeys, and they are doing great. They're now 10 months old.
In our last update, we announced that we had babies. Unfortunately, they didn't make it. And then we had another round of babies, and they didn't make it either. All we could keep alive were the 4 mature sea monkeys that we had. We were getting frustrated that we couldn't get the babies to live, so we reached out to our friends at Transcience LLC for some help. Turns out, we needed something called Plasma 3.
So when you first start your sea monkeys, the first packet that you pour in contains some salt. And that's because these are brine shrimp. They are a type of shrimp that need salt water. So over the several months that we had our sea monkeys, as the water evaporates, which it will do, you pour fresh water in a little at a time, just to replace the water loss. And you always want to use bottled water. But the thing we weren't thinking about was the saltiness of the water was gradually getting less and less as we were adding that fresh water in. And so what the Plasma 3 does is it basically resalinates the water, or adds salt back into the water of the right amount for what the sea monkeys need to live a happy and healthy life.
And y'all, this stuff works. So in our last update, we had 4 adults. Now we have 8. And we have a ton of babies right now. So we're hopeful they won't all live, but we're hopeful a good number of them will live. So if you buy this product, what you want to do when you first get it is you want to put 3 scoops in. And then every 2 weeks after that, you put 1 scoop in, and just continue that on. And that will keep the balance of the salt water right where it needs to be.
We also noticed after we started using the Plasma 3 that the water seemed like it got a little bit clearer. Some of the sort of green algae looking stuff cleared up. We're assuming that the Plasma 3 helped with that delicate ecosystem. It's a little sciencey. We don't really understand exactly how it works, but it does, and it's easy for you to get it. Keith, how can people get this Plasma 3?
All right, if you want to pick up some Plasma 3, you go to the Sea Monkeys website, so it's sea-monkeys.com, and it will cost you $6 plus shipping and handling, but it's well worth the cost because it will make your sea monkeys live for a long time.
And if you have any questions about raising sea monkeys, don't send them to us. We're not experts. Ask the folks at Transcience because they are really responsive and they're happy to help you with all your sea monkey needs. So we definitely recommend reaching out to them. They're very responsive, and they're also on all the social media platforms as well. Check out how happy our little sea monkeys are.